Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join our Discord server, right? It's very easy to do it and you can just follow this step over your phone as well as over the PC or laptop. So to join a server, for example, this is click on, this is a plus icon, this is add a server. So here you can see that they will ask you to create your server, but here in the bottom you will see a link which is called a join a server. So this is called invite link. So if you want to join a private server, they will send you an invite link. You have to copy it and paste it over here. For example, let me show you from any of my server. Let's say this server, and somebody will click on invite and we have to just copy this and that person will send it to you. Just go here, click on join server and paste it over here and you will be able to join that server. But if you want to join a very public server, right, which is completely free and completely public, so you can join this kind of server and you can, on the left side you will see a lot of genres. You can just choose any one of them. For example, this is it, and here, if for example this is lo-fi girl, and here once I come here, usually they ask you to verify it. So on the top you will see this option of join lo-fi girl, right, and it will click on start onboarding, and here it will just take a few seconds and you have to choose, click on the next, or right, and for example you have to read this, click on finish, right. So once I click on finish, I will able to join this server, right. I can just go and listen, talk to people, chat, and whatever you can do. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.